Welcome to my channel Car wostl. Today, we're diving into the stunning new 2025 Lexus RX 350, the latest addition to Lexus's renowned lineup of luxury SUVs. If you're in the market for a blend of sophistication, performance, and cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Lexus RX 350 a standout in the luxury SUV market. First up, the release date. Mark your calendars, folks. The 2025 Lexus RX 350 is set to hit showrooms in the fall of 2024. Lexus enthusiasts won't have to wait much longer to get their hands on this beauty. When it comes to features, the RX 350 does not disappoint. Step inside, and you're greeted by an opulent interior, adorned with premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and a meticulously crafted dashboard. The centerpiece is a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, boasting the latest in connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive voice command system. Comfort is paramount in the RX 350. Enjoy heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof that bathes the cabin in natural light, and ample legroom for all passengers. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a long road trip, the RX 350 ensures a first-class experience for everyone on board. Under the hood, the 2025 RX 350 is powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering an impressive 295 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this SUV offers smooth and responsive handling, making every drive a pleasure. And for those who crave a bit more thrill, an F-Sport package is available, enhancing both the performance and styling of this already remarkable vehicle. Safety is always a top priority for Lexus, and the RX 350 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. The Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 includes pre-collision detection, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Lexus RX 350 starts at a competitive $48,000, offering exceptional value for its class. With various trim levels and optional packages, you can customize your RX 350 to suit your preferences and needs. In summary, the 2025 Lexus RX 350 is a masterclass in luxury, performance, and technology. It's the perfect SUV for those who demand the best of everything. Ready to experience it for yourself? Head to your nearest Lexus dealer this fall. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest automotive releases. Thanks for watching.